Come over here so you can see it, everything.
I know.
Sorry, get it. Get to the wood.
Oh, that's a boat. That's a boat. I think. Found that.
It's floating. Everybody can see everything. Look. Look. Look at Chase Bank. Come here. Stand with me.
Damn, the banks are really not gonna work for a while.
Look at that. That's all the way up to here to the canal. That's the waves coming in right there.
Dude, I said I wanted to walk in that shit.
Yeah?
Scary.
That's the waves coming in there. They're going to break in the back once the surge starts coming in.
How high can it go?
Whatever the surge is coming in. Let's go.
Oh my god.
It's moving in. You see? Quick. Yeah, it's not good. Let's get out of here. All right.